Hello students, let's read the problem. A sphere has a radius of 3x squared y cubed inches. To find the volume of a sphere, the formula b equals 4/3 pi radius cubic can be used. Which expression represents the volume of a sphere in cubic inches? So what's the first thing that I know? Well, we're talking about a sphere, is that right? We're also talking about the radius for the sphere. And the radius is represented with this expression. Very important that we know, right? Next, I have a formula, right? They're already giving you the formula. You don't need to memorize it or anything. They're already giving them to you. And they want me to find an expression that goes with that. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the expression for that. Okay? Okay, very good. So let's start with the formula that is given to you. The formula is b equals 4/3 pi radius to the third power. Okay? So let's replace the values that we can replace. Well, the 4/3, I do not need to replace it. I'm going to put parentheses just to show you that it means multiplication, right? This will be pi. And now this is the one that is the good one, right? The radius is represented with that expression above. So we need to replace r with that expression. So let's write down 3x squared y to the third power. Now, very important that now I see that everything is raised to the third power. Okay? So let me go ahead and show you that the only thing that I replaced was r, and I'm replacing it with the expression that was given to me. Everything else is the same. So I notice now that 4/3 doesn't change. I'm still gonna need to multiply by that. Pi is still there, but now I notice that my parentheses has actually an exponent outside. Is that right? The 3? That means that that 3 is going to affect each one of my terms. This is what we call power to a power rule. Is that right? So if you notice, I have the formula, not the formula, but the rule up here that says that if I'm raising something to a power, I am going to multiply the exponents, right? So let's work on that one. I'm going to write it down on the right side over here. So the 3 will be raised to the third power. Is that right? The x squared will be raised also to the third power. And the y to the third power is also raised to the third power. Very good. So 3 to the third power gives me 27. And I'm going to multiply 2 times 3. So that gives me x to the 6th power. And I'm going to multiply 3 times 3. And that will give me y to the 9th power. So what I want to do next is I'm going to rewrite my answer here. So I'm going to have 27 x to the 6, y to the 9. Very good. So we're going to continue. If you notice, anytime that you have a fraction, that means that you are supposed to multiply the 4, which is the numerator, with 27. Is that right? And the 3 is like you're dividing by 3. So that will stay on the denominator. So my 3 stays on the denominator. And I'm going to multiply 4 times 27. So I get 108. The pi, I'm going to bring it down. I haven't done anything with the pi. And I'm going to rewrite my x to the 6th power and y to the 9th power. Since I don't have any more bases with exponents, nothing like that. I don't need to combine them or use the rules or nothing. The only thing that I need to take care of is the 108 divided by 3. And 108 divided by 3, I get 36, and the pi will stay there, and x to the 6th power and 1 to the 9th power, that will be my final answer. So take a look at this and take a look at the answer choices. My answer choice for this will be letter B. Very good. That's my answer for that one.